In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Steam can't find your installed games. So if you already have an installed game on Steam and it's trying to make you download or install it twice, then there's essentially two different methods we can use to fix this. The first method is by heading over to your File Explorer on your computer, and then you need to locate your Steam folder. Now for me, this is in my C drive inside of Program Files x86. Scroll all the way down and double click on the Steam folder. Scroll down and select Steam Apps. Click on Common, and then here you'll find all of your game folders. Now if you do see your game in this list, then what you need to do is right click on the game folder. Click on Copy and then press Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste that folder. And that's going to go ahead and make a copy of the folder. And then all you need to do is right click on the original folder that we just copied and press the trash icon. And then all we simply need to do is rename the copied folder back to the original, which is VR Chat. And now if I head back over to the Steam application and I select my game, what you need to do is click on the install button. I then select the drive where the game is saved to. So for my case, that's going to be the C drive, and press install. Now because you already have this installed, it won't install it again. It will just validate your files, and that should only take a couple of seconds to complete. And as you can see, we're now able to play the game. Now the second method you can use to fix this, if this method doesn't work, is to head over to the Steam icon in the top left hand side, click on settings, and then scroll down to storage. Now if you have your Steam games saved on another drive, then you'll need to add this to your storage devices. So what you need to do is click on the drop down arrow next to the drives and then select add drive, and from here you need to locate where your Steam folder is saved to. So I'll just demonstrate this on my C drive, but if your Steam games are saved on a D drive or another drive, then you'll need to locate the folder in there. And all you simply need to do is locate where the Steam folder is saved to, and then you just need to select the folder like so and press select folder. And once you've done that, that's going to go ahead and add all of your Steam games to this list. And then if you come back over to the library tab, that should have now fixed any issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.